Good morning. Today's wash day for me, but I want to share with you what I've learned, as I usually do. The Lord has blessed me with a certain income, a small income, but it's kind of like manna. I have exactly what I need, usually not more, but never less. And in having that, I try to be very frugal, and I try to teach you to be frugal. In these times, we need to have ways of doing things very nicely, but very economically. And in my wash day, I have not purchased detergent, fabric softener, or wrinkle-free things, or different sheets that go in the dryer. I have not purchased anything like that for over a year or so. Why? Because I was almost maybe led to an African festival one time. And at that festival, a lady was sitting there telling things about natural living. So, of course, that took my eye. I went, looked at her table, and on her table, among other things, was something called soap nuts. If you will look in some of my previous posts, I show you soap nuts. Now, these soap nuts are a natural detergent, has a lot of natural good things in it, and it washes your clothes wonderfully. So after I used it and saw how good it was, I purchased some online. Soap nuts. You can find them in different names, but they're just actually what they call soap nuts. And I took them, and this usually has some little tiny bags with it, but I put them in a sock and tie it up, and that's what I use as my detergent and fabric softener. I throw it into the washing machine, and then I put my clothes in there and let it go. That takes care of my washing. And if I have whites, or if I have something that really needs cleaning, I'll add some hydrogen peroxide. That gives it a real big boost. Now, if you want to use your Clorox or your bleach in your whites, that's all right. It doesn't bother anything. And when you have your wash done with these soap nuts, it comes out nice and clean and smelling fresh. Then you just throw them into your dryer. They can go in there too if you want them, but you can take them out. And they dry, and they come out just as nice and soft and fluffy as if you had put fabric softener in your water. They're not very expensive, and they can be used 5 or 6 times. The same little sock of nuts. Just take them out and let them dry for the next time. I've used this a good 4, maybe 5 times. They're still hard and ready for today. So, this can save you money. Actually, you can boil the nuts, get the water from the nuts, use them for a disinfectant spray for your home, use them to wash your windows, your cars, and there's no streaking. It's all natural, no streaking. You can soak your jewelry in it. You can wash your hair with it, and you don't need a shampoo, or you don't need conditioner, because it softens and conditions your hair all at once. I'd like to tell you about what God has given us. He has given us something that's far better than what man can put together with chemicals. So, and it's cheaper. So let's use what God gives us. Also, it's so good for the skin. Even you can wash your babies in it. Get your water and wash your babies up in it. And if you have psoriasis or eczema, it's good for that too. No chemicals. So look up soap nuts. any kind of little nut that's so all natural, and start saving money like Sister Collins. Have a blessed day. And thank the Lord for the natural things that he's given us. They're far better than any chemical things that man can make. God specializes in impossible things. And don't forget it. And don't forget him. Give him the praise and the glory all the day. Have a good day.